Okay, we are in the motorway from Palermo to Trapani, and this is the wonderful, dramatic landscape that you can enjoy here. We are close to Trapani, almost 15 kilometers away from we have to go on the right for Umman. Ciao! It's a very typical restaurant. So special. Vineyards. The real Sicily. We're in the countryside, but very, very close to the sea of Trapani, of San Vito Lo Capo. So in this villa you can enjoy both the countryside and the sea. The lake and the forest. Welcome to this house in Trapani province. This is a patio where you can enjoy a book or a tea or a meal. An hamaca. Look how many plants and how many flowers. There are a lot of these lovable corners. Olive trees, orange, lemons. This is the pool area. Look, the pool area overlooks the grain fields, and on the distance there is Trapani and the Sea of Trapani. What beautiful house. Disposal. And the right there is the dependance. We are cleaning it, so just a fast look to the dependance. There is a bedroom. Also in the upper there is another bedroom, bathroom, kitchen. Let's go inside from this door. Look, it's a very rural house. This is the kitchen. The living room. What are these ancient keys? Let's go from this side, from this door. Up. There is a bathroom and there is a bedroom facing the garden. And here we can find other two bedrooms and one bathroom. Another bathroom. This is another double bedroom. This is another double bedroom. This is our rural villa. Just outside the kitchen there is the barbecue area, the BBQ area, and the pool, and the dépannage.